Hey guys, it's Ozzy and I'm back and another video in the bathroom. I don't know why, but it's fine. And I'm gonna be doing a little review on Nature Republic today, and basically there is now a few stores. There's one in like near the Leicester Square area, Chinatown area, and there's also one in Westfield, White City. I got this from Westfield, White City. I got a, what is it called? A shimmer eyeshadow. It's Color Blossom. No, it's 01 Aurora Pink. That's the shade I got. I didn't keep the package for this because this is my mom's technically, but I'll also do a review on the Nature Republic By Flower Shine Lip Balm tint thing. This is actually a really nice color. Okay, there's a little open sticker. I don't want to take this entire thing off. Is there any way I can just cut it off? There we go. So when you open it up, oh, such a pretty color. Oh my god. And then you can kind of see it. You can kind of, it's like a shimmery, it like reflects this like light basically. I will try to put it on my eyes. Let me see. It actually applies quite well with a brush. I just realized you cannot see me. Oh, that's such a nice color. Let me just... It's taking me a while, sorry. I would kind of use this as a highlight as well. Oh, this is so pretty. Anyways, I will do the lip tint in a moment. And I'm back to do the review of the lip tint because I've put on my makeup and we're gonna try the lip tint now. It is 04 and it's called Muted Rose. And it is such a beautiful color. I don't have anything on my lips, by the way. This is my natural lip color. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's such a pretty color, and it's like, it stains, and it's a lip balm as well, so it's like moisturizing, which is so nice. After using this, I love it, like the shimmer. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we're gonna see today. But from just the use and like how easy it was to apply it, I would give this a 9 out of 10. Just giving them a slight, you know, chance to see how it lasts. This one I would give it a 10 out of 10. Anyways, that is it from me today, guys. Hopefully you should like for my next video, and you're gonna see maybe a hair dye video. Anyways, please subscribe. Bye.